What are you saying, Eric? I don't have money to give you. I just gave you 30,000 last week. Where do you expect me to get money from?
30K for what now? For what? See, sometimes you just act like you're not in this country. What will 30K buy? Nothing. You stop this thing now. 30K will not do anything for me.
Are you working or you're making calls?
Stop me. Don't like what you're doing. Stop it. You're frustrating me.
This is why I don't like giving people like this job. Where's your manager? Once I see him, I'm going to report you and you're going to be sacked.
Sorry, madam.
What's this?
Sorry.
That's why I don't like giving people like jobs. Where's your manager? I'm going to report him.
Hey, that's enough. I mean, everybody has a bad day. You don't have to make it worse. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Don't try to put my head down.
Yeah. You know what? Here's my card. Take, give me a call. I might have something for you in my company.
Sorry, sir. I can't take your card. I don't do that.
But if you knew who was giving you this card, you wouldn't say that. Why don't you just take it, okay?
Sir, I just said I can't take card from you. I'm not that kind of person.
How much is my
10,500.
10,500. Take.
I'll give you away. How much is that?
7,400.
10,500.
Do I pay you?
Cash transfer, sir.
That's good.
Yes.
This is the account number.
Are you sure I didn't take more than that? But I'm just I'm confused.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You stop this nonsense. You stop it. And I keep so everything in my house. I'm at work. You can't be doing this to me.
Maybe I looked for you everywhere. Come on, please, let me see him. Let me see my son.
You will never see him. Yes, Hank. I will never let you see him. For leaving me in pregnancy, your punishment is that you will never set your eyes on Eric.
Excuse me. Where's the woman who was sitting here?
She went out. She just went upstairs now.
She works here, right?
Yes, sir.
$30K for... Oh. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Your ATM is malfunctioning today. Huh?
Don't call her that.
That is what she is. Your emergency cash point. Without her, you'll be nothing.
Look, she just wants to control my life. She's always nagging and trying to bring me down and tell me what to do and what not to do.
So, what's the plan, boss man? You're going to whine her to send you more money? Or you got some magic trick? This bed is stressing me, Eric.
Babe, relax now. It's not this bed you've been sleeping on every night. It's just tonight. Calm down.
Huh? I should relax. I should calm down. It's just tonight. Can you hear yourself? It's my birthday. I want some baby girl treatment. Not this poverty aesthetics.
Look. I know what you want. Okay? I get it. I know you want to go out, you want to have fun. But right now, I can't do that. Okay? So just bear with me a little longer, okay? Please. Okay, what now? Why are you dipping this thing? What's taking this thing too far? I don't
Eric, if you can't take me to a hotel, then I don't know what we're doing.
What do you mean you don't know what we're doing? We're together. Listen, you know, on the normal day, babe.
Huh? I should relax? I want some baby girl treatment. I want luxury. If you can't give me that, then we're wasting each other's time.
Hey, relax. Come. Babe, relax now. Relax, alright? Calm down. Look, just give me a little time. I'll figure something out, I promise.
Too late. Go figure yourself out before you come looking for me.
Babe. You're my mother, no difference. You all want me to beg all the time. Not begging you.
Jasmine, you slept with my man. You slept with my man, Jasmine. A man I'm about getting married to. You slept with him.
And baby, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do it. He seduced me.
You shut up. He seduced you. You want to put the blame on Fred?
No.
You betrayed me, your own friend.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what I was doing. I wasn't thinking.
You wasn't
Please,
thinking.
thank you.
You wasn't thinking. How can you be thinking? You wasn't thinking when you slept with my own man. A man you know what we've been through. A man you know how and what we are building together.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It wasn't my intention. I didn't mean to hurt you.
You didn't just hurt me. You didn't just hurt me. You broke me. You betrayed me. You ruined my life.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Oh, no.
I don't ever want to see you anywhere around me.
Baby, please.
Listen very well. If I see you anywhere near my house, I will call it mother. And go for it.
Baby, please.
I mean it.
Please. We've been through a lot together. Please don't do this now to me.
Get out!
Please. Please.
Bring it out!
Baby, please, I'm begging you.
No. I can't let that snake into my house. Okay, boy. Not even to clean the house before leaving the house. Can you imagine? Where's my television? God. Let it not be that this boy has gone to sell my television. Let it not be that this boy has come to sell my television. I won't take it lightly with you. Oh, goodness. This boy will not kill me. This boy will not kill me. You better pick up your call. Better pick it. How can you hear me when all you do is to party? This boy shouldn't say this television code. Why would this boy always frustrate me? Take this call! Oh, goodness. So frustrating. This TV is the only property I have remaining.
I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless. Don't even know myself no more. How can I let go of the hurt and the pain I feel when I can't even think straight? Oh, what can I do? How can I help myself? What can I say? How can I find my way? Everything is getting complicated. I'm so confused. What can I say? How can I find my way?
This boy don't just make outside to wash his own clothes. He frustrates me, must make me do everything.
All you need to do is try to let it out. Let it out. No matter what you feel.
Oh, God. What's this? Oh, God. Why does this boy enjoy making my life miserable? Why? Can you...
You know, you're not only very stupid, you are an ingrate. I picked you up from the gutter and I gave you this heaven. What more do you want?
You call this heaven? Leaving me alone in this house. You call it heaven? There are other things women need, Hank. We need to be loved, we need to be taken care of, we need attention, we need to be pampered, we need to be seen, we need to be heard. That is what you've denied me. You go out every day, coming back whenever you want. Leaving me with your steward. Am I married to you?
I leave this house to go out there to go and hustle for both of us. I mean, what do women even want? What's wrong with women?
You men are the problem. You know what? This is not marriage. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of this sham called marriage. I've gotten it up to this point. I'm leaving this house. I'm never coming back until you understand how to take care of a woman.
Then go ahead and leave. Yes, go. I don't need you. You will need me one day. You need my help.
This is what I'm talking about you. You are so arrogant. You are so full of yourself. You think the world revolves around you. You think I'm not going to survive without you. But you know what? I'm going to shock you. This will be the last time you're ever going to see my face.
Get out of my compound! Get out! Okay? I have everything I need here.
You don't have everything you need. If you have everything you need, you won't be dreaming and screaming of your lost son and woman. No wonder your ex is hiding your son from you. You know what? If you were too good, she would have been here with you and your son. Do you know, a man with a family has it all, but you are far from having it all.
Maybe it was all my fault, and I couldn't see it. Maybe I was too arrogant and selfish. That is why no woman can stay with me. Maybe Stella is right. A man who has a family has everything. It was my fault. It is my fault that no woman wants to stay with me. If Tumapi can give me just one more chance. Just one more chance.
Cosmos, you haven't called me all day.
I've had enough. Do maybe. This is not working.
Cosmos, please, don't do this to me. Please.
You lied to me, do maybe. About your age. You are older than you told me. I did my finding.
Cosmos, I lied to you about my age because other men left me when they found that I'm up to 40. Please, don't do same, I beg you.
This is just about your age, maybe. It's about you and your son. You give him all your attention. There's no space for us.
Cosmos, I had to be there for my son when nobody could. I can't turn my back at him right now.
I can't marry someone whose life is already to be occupied for me. Goodbye, maybe.
Cosmos, please. Cosmos. Again.
Look, I never abandoned you. Okay? I could barely take care of myself, let alone you or a child. Now I've gone out of hospital. I've made money. Now I can take care of you and the child. You please give me a chance.
You've made money. You feel money can fix everything.
I never said...
No, that is what you think. You left me to suffer all alone. And now you suffer from the thinking you can fix it with money. Please, Hank. I have said you will never set your eyes on my son. He is my son.
At least I know she's alive.
Dumobi, mother of my child.
After all these years?
She works at a supermarket. I don't think she recognized me.
Sorry about that. Concerning your health issue, and the result is out, there is no cure. You have just limited time to live.
And I will make the most of my time left.
What are your plans?
To find her and to find my child so my legacy doesn't die with me.
That's a good one. Anyway, you also have to start, at least take a step.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. Sorry about that. Okay, at this moment, I think I have to take my leave.
Have a nice day.
Okay, all right. Okay. Be well.
I'm going to work late because I have to tidy up the house.
Oh. Yo, Eric, this is the vibe tonight. You got it! Oh!
Shit.
Get off that one. Get off. Get off that place.
Who's the stress, Mama D? It's his house now. It is his bed. Chill.
Mom, stop now. What's the problem? What's it? Relax, guy. Chill. Let's don't rest. Don't see cause while like now. Go calm down.
Eric. Why do you hate me this much? Why?
All by myself. I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless. Don't even know myself no more. How can I let go of the hurt and the pain I feel when I can't even think straight? Oh, what can I do? How can I help myself? What can I say? How can I find my way? Everything is getting complicated. I'm so confused. What can I say? How can I find my way? My way.
Jasmine is not an option.
All you need to do
That
is
bastard is the reason
try to let it
I
out.
sent Ruth today.
No matter what you feel,
I've made that mistake again.
don't hold on to it for too long. Forget the past and move on. Everything has a reason. When there's forgiveness, there's peace and love, things will surely fall in place. Try to let it out. Try to let it out. Things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. Don't hold it for too long. Things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. Try to let it out. Try to let it out. Things will fall in place.
What's that?
What is wrong with you?
Yes, collect.
Collect what?
Of course now, money.
I don't have any money.
Which one is that? Do now, I mean,
I cannot have a selling my television. Where do you want me to get the money from?
my television has crap already now. Just help you sell at one time. Look, today's Fina's birthday. Okay, don't act like you don't care. Just give me something. Make I just carry my babe. Come on, I bought my babe for
I should be worried.
Of course, am I not your son?
You decided to live a reckless life.
There we go again. She can't even focus on her job. That's why I don't like giving people like this works. Huh?
Madam, sorry.
Shut up, your mouth.
What's wrong with you?
Mom, just
Really?
Just give me to do small, right?
I'm not. No, it's not about
It's you now. You're the one that just give me money now. I'm your responsibility, okay? You promised to always take care of me, Abby.
in this world, the whole world revolves around you.
Don't back out now. I beg, just give me small. Just.
Nipia, don't try this again.
Please,
I don't have anywhere to go now.
Don't try
Just.
this again. Madam, come.
Please excuse me now. What's this?
Why are you doing this thing now?
I don't
Okay, I understand. Hey!
Really?
That's enough. See, hey, wait, it's not over. It's not over.
Gosh! Look at him.
Are you okay?
You maybe see me in my office right now.
Yes, sir.
Is this you?
What's going on here? Who's going to attend to me? I don't guess. Please come over here. Is that how you people behave here?
No, sorry for that.
It's okay.
Right?
Yeah. Everybody here is crazy.
I'm so sorry, man. Sorry for the scene.
It's okay.
And what? What again?
Complaints.
Okay.
This is unacceptable. Your behavior in this company has been intolerable. I have watched everything that has happened in this CCTV camera, and you have been disrespecting this company, disrespecting the customers, and now your job has been terminated right here.
Please, I didn't mean.
Please take
I didn't
it.
mean this like this. My son was just. Please, I'm sorry.
Take it. It is done.
Sir, please. I can't lose my job like that, sir. Please, please, sir. Hey. Hey. This boy have killed me. Oh. This boy have killed me. Oh. This boy have killed me. Oh. Hey. Eric, you have done your worst. You have done your worst. Goodness. Hi. Where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Oh, God.
Maybe wait. I just want to talk.
All by myself, I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless. Don't even know myself no more. How can I let go of the hurt and the pain I feel when I can't even think straight? Oh, what can I do? How can I help myself? What can I say? How can I find my way? Everything is getting complicated. I'm so confused. What can I say? How can I find my way? My way. All you need to do is try to let it out. No matter what you feel, don't hold on to it for too long. Forget the past and move on. Everything has a reason.
So maybe you're going to regret this. Taking Eric away, raising him alone, he's already becoming spoiled.
You have no right to tell me how to live my life, Jasmine. Not after what you did to me.
I thought we settled all this.
Settled what? You slept with my man. You slept with my husband-to-be, Jasmine. You betrayed me.
Fred seduced me. I have apologized 100 times. How long are you going to stay angry?
Forever! I'm going to stay angry forever! Stay away from me. Leave my house. Like I said, I don't ever want to see you anywhere around me again. If I see your face close to my house, Jasmine, I will kill you. I mean it. I'm not joking. I don't need you. I don't need Eric's father. Eric is my responsibility. He's already in school. I'm providing everything for him. So what? Leave the house.
All by myself, I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless.
Jasmine. Jasmine, please. Please come and help me with Eric. Jasmine, I've spoiled him. I'm tired. Please come and help me talk to my son, please. My heart is broken. My heart is heavy.
Everything is getting complicated.
I don't know what to do.
I'm so confused.
Jasmine, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Please, just come. I need you now. Please. Yes, I agree. I spoiled him. I spoiled him.
All you need to do is try to
Sorry.
let it out. Let it out. No matter
Okay.
what you feel.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hold on to it for too long. Forget the past and move on. Everything has a reason. When there's forgiveness, there's peace and love, things will surely fall in place.
This boy ate like a glutton. And the world is coming to an end today. Everything in this house is finished.
Good evening, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You hungry?
Yeah. Like chow something. Make me these with bread now.
There's no food in the house. Maybe you should just make noodles for yourself. Or the bread.
Yeah, I know. This one that you're not complaining that I'm coming back home late. Or you're not even angry, you're not mad. You're not your usual self. Is everything okay? Just by now, if you don't give me one lecture like that, is everything alright?
I lost my job.
Oh my God. You didn't even tell me. And shit, all this is my fault. Oh, shit, I'm the problem here, I know. God,
I'm not blaming anyone. Eric. I just need you to change. Be a supportive son. That's all I ask of you.
Fine, alright, okay. I'll try my best to be a supporting son, okay? Oh, good one, I'll try. And then, if Fina broke up with me, I guess it'd be right all along. She was just here because of what she can get from me. And now that you've lost your job, all hope is lost.
This is all we have in this house. God needs to come to our aid or we'll starve. Trying to impress me cannot solve the problem, Eric. There's no money in this house.
Mom, you need to rest, though. Honestly, you really need to calm down. Okay, slow down now. You're stressing yourself too much. And it's never advisable, health-wise. Take a break, relax, calm down.
I should relax. And that will put a food on our table, right? Huh? And what's that in your hand?
Nothing.
You went to draw another tattoo, right? I guess it's part of the money you sold from my television.
Mom, it's not my fault to blame Fina. Fina was the one that persuaded me to do all these things.
Come on, shut up. You want to blame someone else for your decision.
It's not like I'm blaming her, but that's just the truth. That's what happened. In fact, let me even play the tapes. See, she persuaded me to sell your TV, which I did. She's my girlfriend. She now told me that I should draw a tattoo of her name on my arm because, of our love. But now she has left me. This is just a bad memory. And anytime I look at it, I just feel so hot.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Hmm?
Are you not ashamed of what you're bringing out of your mouth? Are you not ashamed? Are you even supposed to be with that wayward girl in the first place? A girl who was not trained.
She, you see the reason why I don't tell you things. This is the reason why I don't open up to you. This much I don't do now, you're already judging. Which one is wayward girl that is not trained? What's up? You see, you have a special skill of making everything worse. You just...
In fact, you need to get a job. Yes. Get a job, support your mother, Eric.
It's never really matter of support my mother or not. I'm not cut out for 9 to 5. Do you understand? I'm not cut out for that space. I mean, take a good look at me. Who can pay me? Nobody can pay me salary. No. I'm meant to be creating jobs. I pay people. That's who I am. I deep down, I feel it. That's the kind of person I am. Not be salary.
Job creator.
Don't do salary over here.
How are you going to achieve that?
By God's grace.
God's grace?
Yes, now.
Look at yourself.
Huh?
Look at yourself. Take a look at yourself. You want to create job for people by wallowing with Fina. If you are not in the bar drinking today, you are in the streets dancing. If you are not dancing in the streets, you are in the club dancing. If you are not dancing, you are rapping, yo, everywhere. You want to create job for people like that.
Don't worry. God damn is the best.
God time.
Yeah.
Help yourself. Look at it. This is all we have in this house.
Just be happy first. Try and be happy first. Use that one first and do something. Try and be happy first.
I will.
This burden is so much to handle all by myself. I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless. Don't even know myself no more. How can I let go of the hurt and the pain I feel when I can't even think straight? Oh, what can I do?
No. But maybe you can't be the fool here at the end. Never. That will not happen. I know it's Fina. She does not want it.
You don't even know this person.
I don't need to know her. At least I know that her parental is 0. Yes. And she might come from a rich family. But she does not want you.
Man, you just sit there and judge somebody you know nothing about. I mean, you know nothing about this girl. And yes, if you must know,
I lied when I told you Fina influenced me to sell the television in the house. I sold that TV on my own accord. And yes, her parents are 1,000 times richer than you are. And here you are judging them. Look, if you take a good look at Fina and I am the bad influence, okay? How does that make you feel?
Eric.
Good night.
Eric, you have been playing this game since you were small. When are you going to focus on something responsible?
See, Mom, I am using this game to get over Fina. I beg you in the name of God, I beg. Don't add your own now, please. Don't just, as I'm here like this now, peaceful. Sure, you don't like it, ne? Just leave me alone.
Can you hear yourself? You're using the game to get over Fina. By wasting your life here. Eric, the economy is very hard. Life itself is very challenging. It's only foolish men that sit down and allow poverty to knock.
Why do you just want to make everything worse? Eh? Look, I'm going through heartbreak here. The least you can do as my mother is try and understand me. I know it's hard for you, but try and understand me. Do you understand? Put yourself in my shoes now. This heartbreak we're talking about. Almost people die of heartbreak.
Can you just hear yourself? Eh?
Hey, do my baby. I have been knocking. Thank you. Eric, hi. Wow, you're so grown. I mean, the last time I saw you, you were still very little.
You're supposed to remain little.
Sorry about that.
It's okay. I understand.
Please, sit.
Thank you. So tell me, how have you been?
He has been out of control. Jasmine, please. I need you to talk to him. Help me advise him. Maybe he could be better.
Anything for you. Come here.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. I've missed you so much.
It's okay. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you. Good to see you again. Thank you. You're welcome.
Jasmine, I'm sorry I had to serve you noodles. Yes, I should have given you proper food. But Eric, he brought in his wayward girlfriend and lavished everything I have in this house.
Slow down. He's not as bad as you make it sound.
He's not as bad as I think you said. Eric is a spoiled child. He came to my workplace to fight me. He almost slapped me in the presence of everyone. Jasmine, Eric is the reason I lost my job.
Then if you think he's that bad, he's totally destroyed, then why am I here? I should just leave.
I just feel someone else needs to tell him the truth. probably someone he can see as a family. I think he's used to my nagging, my shouting and all that, so those things doesn't make any sense to him anymore.
If he doesn't listen to you, so what makes you think he can listen to me? You know, it's funny. I remember back then when you used to say that you could do it on your own. You didn't want anyone's help, not even his father's. Now, look.
I was wrong. Yes, I was. I thought I could do it. I didn't know it's this hard. I tried, but I'm tired.
It's not that bad. But just know that it's going to take time.
I just need you to visit from time to time. Talk to him. Try to see if you can cope with him. Because I don't know.
It's okay. I'll try my best.
Thank you.
That ink looks expensive. Let me guess. Fina's idea.
So what is Fina's idea? Do you have a problem with that?
No, I don't. Just that it will cost you more than money.
Cost me more than money. Really? I mean, I like it.
If you say so.
Of course I say so. Like you just say it, like you like it. It's just, you know that.
I don't like it.
In the opposite, right? In the opposite?
No.
In the opposite?
I don't like it.
Okay, guys. I have to run. I got a call for job offer, so I need to go now.
Really?
Yes.
Nice.
So I'll see you guys later.
Okay.
Wish me well.
I wish you luck.
All right. I mean, this is the reason why you should have supported me when I said I wanted to date Fina. But now, we don't have been in this one-bed apartment. Thank you for listening to me.
You see what I've been dealing with?
It's okay. It's just a matter of time. Things will definitely work out. So, hurry, go get that job. Waiting.
Yeah, baby, see you later.
Madam, I hope you don't mind. I don't want to cross to the other level because of those task force people, you know, so they don't hijack my car. So I'll just stop by the other side.
In that sense, I should pay you?
Yes, please.
Okay. Jesus. Where's the money? I had money in this bag. Is that it again?
Anything to challenge?
Rick is at it again. No, my brother. Listen, I used to have money in my bag. It's like my son has stolen it. Hi, this boy will not kill me. Oh. Yes.
Madam, what are you saying now? What are you saying?
This boy will not kill me.
So you want me to bear the consequence of your son taking your money from your bag or he stole whatever that thing is? No, come on now. This is legal, so.
No, sir, I I used to have money here. I know there was money in this bag, but I can't find it. This is what I've been going through in my son's hand. Please.
Madam, what are you saying now? This is Lagos. You will pay my money. You will pay my money.
Goodness, what do I do now?
You go pay my money, madam. Let me even park here myself.
Sir. I'm sorry, sir. I don't know how.
Madam, this is Lagos. Don't you do like that for this place?
I know. I didn't plan to do this. I beg. I don't know how you can assist me or help me or something. Is there...
No, no go fear happen, no, madam. No go fear happen. Let me even park well.
Oh, God, just hold on. Oh, goodness. Jesus, boy.
Omo.
Hello, Hank. This is the baby. Okay, come in.
Any update for me?
Okay, let's just be going now. Direct you to where you can just drop me, please.
All right then. So where are we going to?
I'm here because I have no other choice. I lost my job. I got a job offer today, but I can't manage it myself.
I want to see Eric. Let me see my son.
You cannot.
No?
No. You won't see my son. Eric is my responsibility. And it is my responsibility to take care of him.
Listen, you don't have to do this alone. I have changed. And by God's grace, now I am wealthy.
Wealth does not change the past.
I know. But let me make it up to you, please. Let me do this for you.
I am here because I need your help in securing the job. That's all I need from you.
Look, you don't need to work so hard anymore. I don't want Eric to see you struggling to survive.
You don't need to tell me how to raise my son.
You know, it was only 2 months. But 20 years had made me forget the memories of your face. But I never forgot your unforgiveness and adamant nature.
Do not dare. Do not dare judge me. You should have married me before taking advantage of me. You destroyed my life with that unwanted pregnancy. I am not here for you to judge me. Neither am I here for your affection. I'm only here because I need your help in securing that job. Nothing more, nothing less. And as for my son, Eric, you will never see him.
Then let me take a leaf out of your own book. I will help you secure that job and even get you an opportunity that will get you, what, ₦1 million in salary?
But you will let me see my son, or I will not lift a finger to help you.
I won't let you see my son. Excuse me.
Jasmine, thank you. Thank you very much for persuading me to come with you to find Fina. Look, first of all, I didn't even know we'll find her, number one. And I didn't know she would even give me a listening ear. Not to talk of making up with me. Look, Fina, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jasmine, for helping settle things between us.
You both don't have to thank me. I mean, I just think you two are great together.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So yes, cheers to reconciliation.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on here? What's the meaning of this? What are you doing? Eric, you steal my money to entertain this foolish wayward girl? Don't you ever. Is that what you're here for? Is this why I brought you here?
No. Get out!
Mom,
slow. Get out this with my baby!
Mom, why do you keep making everything worse?
Hey, you know what? I can't sit here and watch this.
You don't need to sit here.
Baby.
Get out!
Let's go.
Get out!
Okay.
Eric, come back here.
Do me be.
Don't maybe me. What's this? Is this why you are here?
To maybe everything was going on well, but you came in to spoil it.
I spoiled it. I spoiled it. Anyways, I met his father today.
What? Eric's father?
Yes. Maybe I should just bring him in. Maybe for help or something. I don't know what to do anymore. You're not helping me. Excuse me.
No, do maybe.
I am sorry I've been so busy this period. Maybe that's why I forgot to take my pills. I'm sorry, Mr. Williams. It won't happen again. But believe me, we're making progress with regards to my son. Yes. I met with her today. Yes. Listen, we'll talk more when you come around, okay? Was my action okay? She came to me for help. Maybe I should have just helped her. What if she refused to see me again? What if she disappears again? She once disappeared with my son 20 years ago. No. I think I made the right decision. Let me hope she will come back. Or she doesn't.
Three days. 3 days I've not heard from my son. His phone is switched off.
Maybe he's upset. You both said things you shouldn't have.
So it's my fault? It's my fault that Eric is gone?
I am not saying that. You just keep fighting with him. This generation isn't like ours. You need to approach him gently and patiently.
Patiently? Gently? That is what you have always said. Look at where it has gotten us. Jasmine, you overindulged this boy. That's the reason we went to his father in the first place. Look at it. He has run away.
Don't you dare blame me for this. You've been difficult right from the very beginning. Instead of learning from it, you just keep fighting with everyone.
I know you will blame me. I know it will get to this point when everybody will blame me. It's my fault, right? It's my fault. That's the fault that made you sleep with my man and made me lose the chances of being a married woman in life. That's the fault. I know it will come to this.
You know what? I am done. You just won't stop.
Please. Jasmine, please, I'm sorry. Look at me. I'm just a tired woman. I'm sorry. I think it was just a slip of tongue. Please, don't leave me like this. I beg you. You're the only friend I have. Please, don't do this to me. Stop! Please stop! Please stop! Please! The police locked up Eric! He beat up a guy, my ex-boyfriend. They say he might not get out. Auntie Jasmine. Mommy Eric, please. Do something. Help me bail him out. Please. Please.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is Jasmine, a very close friend of Dumibi.
Please, come in.
Thank you, sir.
Close the door. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can I do for you?
Sir, I am here for Eric. He's been locked up in the station. There was an altercation, so he's in trouble.
Did Dumibi ask you to talk to me?
No, she didn't ask me to talk to you. She doesn't even know I am here. I came on my own. Please, sir, we need your help. Not just for Eric, but for Dumibi also.
Well, if you know Dumibi as you say you do, then maybe you could convince her or help me to talk to her to allow me to see my son while there is still time.
Sure, that's not a problem. But, Eric, we need to help him. I just came for you to use your connections to get him out.
Well, I don't want to insert my life into Dumibi's after the hurt I've put her through. But you can ask her to bring Eric to me, not the other way around. Okay?
Well,
go home, okay? I'll make a few phone calls here and there, and before the end of today, they'll release him. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You will talk to Dumibi, right?
Sure, I will. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
All
right. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Cosmos, please. Please don't do this. Cosmos.
Do maybe? What's wrong?
My ex. That heartless man that he used and dumped me. I called him to help me bail my son from police custody and he turned me down. I don't know what to do. I need to bail my son. I need to pay my son.
It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
No. Everything will not be fine. I don't have a time. I need to pay my son out of the police custody. What kind of a mother will allow his son to be in that place and will not do anything? I've tried, no way.
Then why are you so mean to Mr. Hanks?
I told you I don't want to talk about that man. That man abandoned me. He abandoned me to raise Eric all by myself. Now he suffers from the blues, only to come claiming my son Eric. Never. I would not let him have him.
You need to calm down.
Hey! Son. How did you get out? How?
Thank you very much. The policeman that let me out, he said I should thank you. So, thank you. You let me down, Mom. You could even come through for me. You failed me, Mom. Thank you. Probably go see Fina. Let her know that I'm out of the police station. Thank you very much.
What have you done? You went to Hank behind my back? Is that it?
I just did the only thing that made sense to help you out.
Little sense. I have no sense. No sense in me, right? Did you hear my son? Did you hear? Did you hear my son spoke to me? I couldn't hear it. I have no sense. I have no money.
Jasmine, you're doing too much. Why are you making me look as if I am not capable of taking care of my son or handling my son?
This is not about you being incapable. It's about seeing the bigger picture. Eric has a lot of potentials. You just need to meet him halfway.
Halfway? I don't understand when you say I have to meet him halfway. I don't get you. Jasmine, I single-handedly raised that boy for 20 years.
That's not what I am saying. What I am saying is that the way you're going about it isn't working anymore. He's at a point where you need to guide him differently. Less anger, more understanding.
That is to say, I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I'm useless here. You know what, Jasmine? Quit mentoring my son. Leave him for me. I can handle him.
I won't do that. I am beginning to see the potentials in him. So for his sake, I won't. Not even for the sake of our friendship.
Oh, friendship? Is it what all this is all about? If you are my friend, if you are a good friend, why did you go to Eric's father behind my back?
Because someone had to do something. Your pride has kept you stuck in one place.
Jasmine, why did you hate me this much? Is this a kind of revenge for all the help I rendered you over the years back? Your tuition fee that I paid took care of you like my own sister. Is this how you want to pay me back?
Of course, I appreciate all you did for me. You gave me a future. So please, give me the chance to reward you by helping the son you raised.
So you met my dad?
Eric
You met with my dad?
is not what you think.
It's what I think. It's exactly what I think. Mom, you lied to me.
Eric, you need to calm down.
Stop. I mean, you knew about this. And you told me nothing, right? What? I'm doing both of you.
Eric! Just, what have you done? What have you done?
What are you making this time around?
Just lunch? Well, but nothing to impress your Gen Z world.
What do you mean nothing to impress my Gen Z world? Of course we have taste. I mean, we have very good taste.
Wow, you do now?
Of course.
I thought you said will never understand how your Gen Z world vibes.
Yes, you would think about it. You millennials will never understand how our world works. We are more fast-paced, things happen for us. But you guys, everything is well calculated, well thought about, well structured, well arranged. Come on. We live for now. Me, Eric, I live for the moment, right now. Do you understand?
So tell me, how does that work out now?
Well, let's just say it's quite complicated. Let's leave it at that.
Complicated?
Yes, complicated.
Well, Eric, living in the moment is great, but you just have to live beyond now and think about the people you care about.
And by the people I care about, you mean my mom?
Look, I know your mom has made a lot of mistakes, yeah, but then again, everything she does is for you.
I know everything she does is for me. Okay, that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is that I feel like a responsibility. I don't feel seen, I don't feel heard. All I just want is to be understood, that's it. So hard to understand me.
Well, I know forgiveness is not easy, but you just have to. Okay. You wanna join me?
Thank you.
Yes, I'm coming.
Oh.
I'm good.
Sit down.
Okay. We need to talk.
I figured you'd say that. So go on, talk.
You see, your condition is getting worse day by day. And I would like you to make a decision right now.
And what decision might that be?
In my own thinking, from my own end, I think you should maybe, go to one of these motherless baby women and adopt the child. Someone who can take over your legacy when you're gone.
William, you haven't walked in my shoes. Until you are staring at your own end and a child that you never knew or never knew you're about to lose that child, then you understand what I'm going through.
I know you love your son very much. Very well. That you can even do anything just to get him back. But let's come out of that light. Let's look in this way. You maybe said she does not want you around him. I'm just thinking maybe it's high time you just, let us go.
Look, I know my condition, but I don't want to push my son away or destroy any chance of me getting to know him.
Okay.
1 second.
Good afternoon.
Where is my son?
This is your father.
So,
Eric.
You're him.
You know, I have waited 20 years. 20 years just to meet you. And it's good to see you, son.
Why do I need to come sooner?
Look, I made mistakes. Mistakes that I will try and make up to you while we still have time, if you will let me.
I don't know what to say, honestly.
Then don't say anything. We have time to figure it out. Thank you for bringing him to me. Ruby, thank you once again for bringing my son to me. I mean, yes, come in.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Hi.
Please sit down.
What's going on here? What's she doing here? Hank, you invited her without telling me?
I invited her, not him. Zubby, come on, if my son wants to invite somebody, I don't see anything wrong with that. This is our family reunion. Anything else we can deal with that later.
See, Hank, I know the son I have. Overindulging him will only spoil him. This whole thing will make everything worse.
Maybe please. Can we just enjoy this moment and talk about every other thing later?
Honestly, if I need to know something. You claim you know me. You claim you know everything, but why do you keep all this away from me? No, tell me.
Eric, I did what I thought was the right thing to do.
Nice. You did what you thought was good. What you thought. So you thought it wise to keep everything away from me. All this, including him. Listen, Mom, you only denied me a bright future. You denied me my father. And you thought it wise. Really? Look, I know you love me, alright? And I love you too. Thank you for everything you've done up until this point. I really appreciate it. But right now you have to let me be my own man. You have to let me shine on my own. Because you like to dominate, you like to do anything you like. Look, Jasmine, thank you. Okay, because if not for you, I would have still been in the dark. I mean, you saw me, you heard me, and you understood me. Thank you.
Eric, I have waited so long for this moment. I have made mistakes, and I would like to make them up to you. For now, let's just celebrate being family and healing as well. Come, let me show you around. Come. All of you, come. Go to the kitchen here, where you can eat all you want. You want to get in?
Time to go.
You want to leave?
This is not our house. We need to go back to our house. Come on.
Momsi, relax first. You calm down now. Relax. Me, I'm not following you to go anywhere. I mean, you're welcome to go. I'm not following you back to that hole you call a home. I'm not going there. You think me I'll come all the way and see all this luxury and follow you back? I'm not going with you. Pops, am I saying something wrong correctly?
I totally agree with you.
Yes. What's wrong with you? There's nothing wrong. Stop looking at me like that now. Stop looking at me. Why are you doing like that?
I love your sense of humor, son. It's quite refreshing.
Yeah, he's a very humorous man. And talented too. Well, actually, sir, I went through your business plans and I noticed I have some potentials with what I studied in school, political science. It might align with your future strategy.
That sounds quite promising.
Yeah, Eric and I talked about it and he's got some good ideas. Together we can work something impactful.
That's even better. I see a team forming between both of you. That is very good.
Yeah.
So you see, Dumobi, there's no need for you to leave. This is my house. You can stay in any room you want to stay in. Anything you need, you can have.
Perfect. Wonderful. I love the arrangements. This is okay. Nice.
Don't know why we can't like that though. So it's settled then.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Can't stay here. I can't.
I don't understand. This room is beautiful. Mr. Hank wants you both to be comfortable.
Comfortable, you said. Do you think I'm comfortable here? Do you think I can ever be comfortable here? In this mansion where he is claiming the savior? Come on, please.
Maybe. Are you sure this is about the mansion? It's not, right?
Jasmine, I'm scared. Yes. I'm scared. My son will lose it here. Yes. The mansion, the luxury is too much. And right now, this man is trying to hand over everything that he ever wanted to him.
Dumebi, you have done everything you could to protect him. But holding on so tightly. Sometimes you give him space and time to make his own choices.
I don't understand, do you? Eric does not know the danger here. What if he finds out? What if Mr. Hank finds out everything I've been telling Eric about him? I know my child. My son is already a spoiled child. What if I lose him? What if I have already lost him?
Ah, come on. You haven't lost him. He is your son. You have done everything to protect him, so you just have to let go. Let it go.
I don't think I can. I can't.
It's okay, my friend. Just take it one step at a time. And trust me, you're not alone in this. Okay? So chill. You have a better place. Enjoy it.
Come in. You don't mind if I come in, do you?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you. You can't sleep?
No, I can't. Not with everything that's happening around me.
I understand. I mean, if I were in your shoes, I'll feel the same way too. Is it okay if I sit?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Why did you come back all this while? Why did you let Mom suffer alone?
Because I was a coward. I was young, selfish. I made mistakes that I will regret for the rest of my life.
So you're here to play dad and make everything feel better?
No. Look, son, I can change the past. But if you let me, I'd like to be a part of your future.
Look, I'm not sure I will be able to forgive you immediately, you know.
Look, I understand. We have time. I am not going anywhere this time. Okay?
Okay.
It's good to have you here.
It's good to be here.
I'll let you rest now, okay? If you need anything, I'll be upstairs, okay?
All right.
All right.
Eric,
Yes?
you drive like you own the whole world.
Of course I own the world. I mean, maybe not right now, but I promise you, soon I'm going to own the whole world.
This is nice, eh?
Oh my, this guy they move. Don't even play.
Yeah.
Okay. I told you.
Eric, take it easy. Watch your front.
Nice. Oh my god. Shoot.
Eric, watch.
Scared.
I'm scared, oh. I mean, I still want to have fun. I want to enjoy this life, oh.
Don't worry, I got it.
I know.
Hey.
He went out with the car. The car you got for him. He is out there spending and showing off. Doing God knows what right now.
Toby, I don't think the car is a problem. I think you keeping control over him is the problem.
Control? You think I'm controlling him? No, Hans. I am only trying to stop him from throwing away his life. You are giving him everything. This house, the car. You don't think you are ruining his life?
Toby, please, come over here for a second. Please, come. I want to show you something. Come, please. Please. Look at that. I sent over 5,000 mails to your old email address. Because I couldn't stop thinking about you and Eric, and I want to be a part of your lives again.
Why now? Why now after all these years?
Because I can't keep running. I'm tired of regrets. I want to make things right with you. Not just with Eric, but with you as well.
I don't just want him to waste away. I don't just want him to throw away his life. I just don't want him.
You don't want what?
I don't just want him to become you.
And I understand that. But you don't need to do this alone again. Look, I don't just want him to take over my legacy because he's my son. But because I believe that he's got great potential.
Oh, goodness. Hanks, you believe he is great because you've not seen the other side of him. You've not seen that side that makes mistakes. That rebel that wastes every opportunity.
Then stand with me and let's help him. Let's support him. Let's do this together. I mean, we have an opportunity here to give Eric the life that you have never dreamed that he could have. Let's do this together. Hey, doctor. Please, can you come later? I am not feeling too good. The symptoms have gotten worse. I can manage for now, but you need to come in the evening later on, okay? Yeah, listen, I don't want anyone to know about my condition. All right.
Hey, Pops. Hey, my boy. How are you? I'm alright. How are you doing?
I am good.
You're feeling?
I am okay.
Alright. Dad, I want you to meet my girlfriend. Fina, meet my dad.
Girlfriend.
Good day, sir.
Nice to meet you, Fina. It's a good thing you're here. I would like to show you a few things. I got some few documents I want to show you. It pertains to your legacy. My legacy to you.
I don't know. Can we look at the document later? Because we kind of like have something to do, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
You see what I was talking about? He doesn't listen to anyone. This boy is out of control.
Listen, I agree with you, Dumabi. But you raised him to be bold and independent. I need you to trust me on this. You know, give me a chance to shape him into the man that I know, that we know he can be.
Yep, exactly. I think you should listen to that. All right, Dave. I need something to show you.
Listen, Dumabi, go easy on it. Okay? Come on. He's not perfect, but he's ours. Let's work together to guide him. Don't worry about it. It's okay. You worry too much.
Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Jasmine.
I hope I'm not interrupting anything.
No, you're not. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir. Wow. Your office, it's remarkable. It shows what you've built so far.
It holds a lot of memories. Anyway, what can I do for you?
Well, sir, I wanted to talk to you about some ideas that aligns with your company's vision.
I'm listening.
Your company is a leader in the renewable energy. So it's an opportunity for you to create something more impactful, like developing renewable infrastructures for rural areas, solar power farms, clean water system, and connected educational hubs. I mean, it's a chance to leave a legacy that is profitable and remarkable.
Ambitious. But promising.
Yeah, it's not just about business, but...
Oh. Hey, Jasmine.
Hi.
I called you 13 minutes ago. I mean, if you're going to run this company, you have to understand that time is of the essence.
Shoot, I'm so sorry. I was my girlfriend. Got this. Oops. Speaking of my girlfriend, I think I gotta run. Alright, I have something for you. I'll be right back, guys.
He's young.
That's what I have to deal with.
He only needs guidance.
Guidance, time. I don't think I have enough of both of them. Let's hope I do.
Yes, sir. So, what do you think about my idea?
Give me time to stew on it. I'll get back to you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Well, if you drop a proposal, then send it to me.
Sure, I will.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll be on my way now.
All right.
Yes, sir. What brings you here?
Can I join you?
Sure.
Yeah. My father speaks a lot about you. Talks about you a lot. He says he likes your ideas and your work ethics. And I should be learning a thing or two from you.
Well, haven't you been learning?
I mean, I try. You will not blame me. Yeah, but then you should be like my mentor or something.
Have I not been already?
I mean, yes, you have.
Eric.
Yep.
Keep your eyes on the work.
Yeah.
If you're coming to me, it should be to learn and not to play around.
Yep, and keep my eyes on the work. Yes, ma. I hear you.
Can you help me with my file, please?
Yeah, sure. File. There you go.
Thank you. So, this is how renewable infrastructure plan ties into the company's existing projects.
Jasmine.
Yeah, what is it?
I've been ignoring this for a while now, and I just have to get it off my chest. Jasmine, I feel something for you. Listen, don't lie to me that you don't feel it too. Because I know you do.
Eric, you need to focus on your future. This can't work.
Look, Jasmine, this is the first time I'm feeling this way. I have not felt like this for anybody before. I mean, why are you saying this kind of work? Why? Why not?
Can you just stop? Focus on your work and your future.
Eric, you should be ashamed of yourself. You're dating a woman old enough to be your mother age mates.
Look, Fina, I am not dating her. Neither am I sleeping with her yet. Alright? I love Jasmine. Okay?
You love... Can you hear yourself?
Yep, I can. Loud and clear.
Eric, you're under illusion.
What the? No.
Yes! Because why would you say you love an old woman that is enough to be your mother's mate? You said you love her. That woman is a devil. She's manipulating you.
Look, Fina, nobody's manipulating me. Okay? Nobody. Look, I found a new life for myself. Okay, this is the new me. Alright? Take a good look at me. This is the new me. Take it or leave it, alright? I mean, I found my dad. And he's a millionaire. Do you understand? I think my eyes is finally opening to the reality of things around me. And right now, I love Jasmine. Okay, I tried as much as possible to make things work between us, but obviously, it didn't work out. Right, so right now, I love Jasmine, and there's nothing, nobody, you, my mom, can do about it, and that's fine now.
You are insane!
Oh, come on, Fina.
Eric, you're insane. Can you hear yourself?
Look, I'm not going to stay. I'm not going to stay here.
I'm not going to sit here with you and listen to this rubbish.
What?
Jasmine, I want to know. How long have you been sleeping with my son? Oh no, just let me press it. How old was he when you started sleeping with him?
Jasmine.
You slept with my supposed husband. You and I knew what happened. Now you have stepped into my family to destroy my family. Who else have you slept with? Hanks?
You need to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. You're losing it.
Do not tell me to calm down again, Jasmine. Don't try it.
Don't you dare yell at me again. Don't ever raise your voice again. Your son came to me and told me he loves me. I haven't slept with him yet, but then I will.
Oh, yes. Then you will sleep with him. Jasmine, you shamelessly stand before me, opened that thing you call mouth to tell me you're gonna sleep with my son. Jasmine, what have I done to you? What have I done to you, Jasmine? You slept with my supposed husband and destroyed my marriage. Now you have stepped into my family to destroy my family. Jasmine, what have I done to you?
I am sorry I slept with your man back then. But now it's different. I love your son and I can't help it. All I need you to do is just to understand me. We are friends.
Don't open your mouth and call me your friend again. I am never your friend. And I can never be your friend. Because friends cannot sleep with their friends, fiancés, and son. Do not call me your friend again because I will never be your friend.
I haven't slept with your son. I haven't. Just understand me.
Answer my question. Have you slept with Hanks?
No, I haven't.
But you will.
No, I promise. I am only trying to make him see the potentials in Eric.
As what? As Eric mother or what? Give her your breast to suck on to prove that he has potentials.
Can I talk to you more?
Talk to me about what? There is nothing to talk about. You let Jasmine manipulate you. You let a woman who is almost your mother's age to manipulate you.
Mommy, come on. She didn't manipulate me, okay? I love Jasmine, okay? I love her.
You love Jasmine? Can you hear yourself? Is this what you call love? That woman is only using you, just the way she uses every other person.
No, Mom, Jasmine is not. So she's not a user, okay? She has not used me. Alright, Jasmine makes me feel seen. She makes me feel understood. She makes me feel heard, you know?
Seen?
Yes.
Do you hear yourself? Do you hear what you just said? Eric, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten what that woman did to me? That woman took a man who was supposed to be my husband. She ruined my life. That same thing she wants to do to you now, and you're letting it.
Mom, listen. She's not like that anymore, okay? She's not who she used to be before. I promise you she has changed. Honestly, she's not like that anymore. I mean, people change now, Mom. Come on, people change.
I will never let that woman into your life. It's over my dead body.
Please, just...
You will be shadowing the operations officer, give you an opportunity to familiarize yourself with the company and its operations. Yeah, get a chance to learn. Now, this is an opportunity for you to learn how things work here. Please don't waste it.
I've had enough. That woman needs to stop coming to this house. That is final.
Jumabi, Jasmine has been an invaluable member of this company. I mean, her ideas.
Ideas? Is that all you could see? Hans, all you could see is ideas. No. I see a heartless woman. I see a senseless woman. I see a shameless woman in her. If Jasmine will have the guts, the effrontery to date my own son, she is heartless.
Blossom is an adult. He can make his own choices.
Choices? You said choices? Is that what you call choice? Letting that woman Jasmine manipulate our own son, you call it choices? No. You do not know that woman very well. Not as much as I do. I know her very well. She has dealt with me before, and I won't let her do that again.
Look, I understand your concerns, but let's not jump to conclusions here.
It's okay. I am not jumping to anywhere. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Nowhere. I'm here in this house. I'm here with you. But you need to do something. You need to do something before that woman tear this family apart again.
Shame on this nonsense. Shame on you. Old fool. I thought you were helping build a relationship. I thought you were helping him build a relationship with his new father. His found father.
What is wrong with you?
So you have planned all this while? You're sleeping with a small boy, a kid, a boy who's old enough to be your son. Jasmine, are you not ashamed of yourself?
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Is it my fault that Eric fell in love with me? He fell in love with me and somehow I feel the same way.
Love!
You just have to live with it, okay? Leave him alone. Do not underestimate me. If you want to go through this path with me, you're not going to like it. So please, just you live with it. Take this thing off my way.
You're a disappointment. Stupid fool. Old cargo. Shame on you.
Jumabi is upset. I mean, she's worried that your relationship with Eric will tear the family apart.
Sir, I didn't intend for this to happen, Mr. Hans. All my life I've been alone.
Alone?
I was young, naive, when I fell in love with the wrong person who cared about himself alone. And when he left, I was shattered. So I focused on my career and rebuilding myself. I was scared of being with another. Now, Eric, I didn't plan for this, but I care about him. But if this is going to tear the family apart, I am ready to walk away. All I care about now is the idea I brought to you, the community project.
Well, the relationship isn't the problem. The problem is how it's affecting the people around you. And it's dividing the family.
You don't need to keep ignoring this. Jasmine has no business around Eric.
Ademoye, this is not about Eric or Jasmine. It's about my legacy.
Legacy? What legacy? Hanks, you're leaving a mess behind. Hanks. 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 No, Hanks, please. Please don't leave me. No, not now. Please don't leave me like this, please, Hanks. No, Hanks, no. Please don't do this to me. Please don't go, don't leave me. Please, man. I love you. I love you. Please stay with me.
Eric, you have to put yourself together. For the sake of your mom.
Why didn't you tell us that he was sick? Why?
He asked me not to tell anyone. It was your father's decision. That was the reason he was so desperate looking for you and your mom. You see, he wants someone to take over his business and other things when he passes on. Your father was a good man.
Oh, you're thief.
Eric, you need to stop. I know how it feels to lose someone. All you need to do now is to think of how to uphold his legacy. Okay? It's okay. Put yourself together.
Jasmine, I want to spend some time with my son. Alone.
Okay.
Why did you tell Jasmine to leave?
Because I want to spend some time with you alone. We just lost your father. And if I need anyone to console me, definitely not Jasmine. You have to put yourself together.
Did I deserve what she did in there?
Don't take this to heart. You know she's sobering and she needs some time for herself. You see, just give them time to mourn their dead.
I don't think that's the reason. She thinks I manipulated her son into falling for me.
No, don't say that. I want you to do one thing for me. Take all the things that have happened before Mr. Hank died and put it to the trash. After the burial, his will and decision will be finally made public. And from there, we'll know what to do. But for now, I want to just give them time. Okay? Just give them time to think.
It's fine. I understand.
Okay, it's fine. You can actually go home now and get some rest. And you can actually talk to Eric on the phone. Or, come around when he needs you.
Sure.
But don't take this to your heart. Okay?
I won't.
All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, let me just, you can go.
We'll see you.
This is a sealed document. It has not been opened. So, Doctor. Madam, with your permission and your son, I'm going to open this document and know exactly what it is. Please. In this contains Mr. Hank's will that will read as follows. It's not much, just a few things said. According to his will, Mr. Hank said that the company and the estate should be under Jasmine's management, citing her vision and dedication to his legacy. He also went further to say that Jasmine and Eric must collaborate to fulfill the company potential, only through mutual agreement that will be executed fully. For now, this is what we have as the will.
No. This is unacceptable by me. How can Hank will everything to Jasmine? Who is Jasmine?
You see, yeah? Hank believes in Jasmine's ability to guide the company and Eric's potential to transform.
Barrister Germany.
Madam.
What is going on here?
Madam, when I brought up this paper bag, it was sealed. I opened it before you. And the most important thing is, I just want to let you know that we should respect the wish of a dying man. He has made his wish, and I know that we need to respect it. Fine, it might not be fine with you, it might not be okay with you, but that is his wish. He saw reasons, he saw potential, he saw values in Jasmine. And that was why he carefully skipped anything that has to do with romance or anything. He said mutual. If there are anything that has to do with adjustment or anything that has to do with putting this thing back again, you and your son should take time, maybe in future to see reasons and make an adjustment. But for now, we need to respect his wish. So I'm indulging you to please respect this way. I know you feel a little bit heavy.
Mom, I know you're upset.
Eric is now about being upset. Things are falling apart.
Mom, things are not falling apart. I mean, they don't have to fall apart. Look, we can still achieve Dad's last wish by working together. We can still do that.
You think it's that easy? Aren't you seeing what that Jezebel is doing? Are you not seeing what Jasmine is doing?
Jasmine is not the enemy. I mean, can't you see what she has done? She has changed me. And I'm certain you can see that.
What do you want, Jasmine?
Maybe I didn't ask for this. I just want to help the company and Eric.
You want to help the company and Eric by tearing my family apart?
I really do care about Eric. But if you think stepping away will make things better, then I'll do it, if that's what you want.
All by myself, I'm so angry, filled with rage, and I'm speechless. Don't even know myself no more. How can I let go of the hurt and the pain I feel when I can't even think straight? Oh, what can I do? How can I help myself? What can I say? How can I find my way? Everything is getting complicated. I'm so confused. What can I say? How can I find my way? My way.
You need to leave. Like right now.
Maybe you know I can't do that. Your late husband entrusted me with his legacy, and I want to honor it.
You want to honor it? By stealing my son, right?
This isn't about stealing anything. This is about fulfilling Aunt's wishes.
Jasmine is manipulating Eric. She is manipulating my son, Eric. She finds herself into everything that Hank cared for. And you want me to allow her stay?
Maybe listen to me. This is not about Jasmine's past. It is about what Hank wanted. He trusted her to preserve the company future.
He trusted her because she fooled him. Dr. Williams, you don't see what I say.
Apologies, Ma, if I may butt in. I simply believe you're not seeing the bigger picture. Honestly, from where you are coming from. It's not just about Jasmine. It's about Hank's legacy. It's about a family future, which you are now the head, even the tail. And I believe Mr. Hanks carefully put up this decision. And he believes so much in you, trusts you so much that you should allow Eric and Jasmine to work together.
I cannot work with that woman. She is manipulating my son. She is a very cunning woman. And she is taking advantage of my son emotionally. And I won't sit down and watch that happen. I won't.
Think about Eric. If you don't have anything to look over, look at Eric. He is growing. Maybe you've not realized that the influence of Jasmine might be working good for him.
She's not helping him at all. That woman is cunning. She wants to take my son away. She wants to tear my home apart. And that will be over my dead body. Will I allow that?
Well, it is possible we are misunderstanding ourselves because you said it seems like we don't see what you see. But we are looking at it from a bigger aspect, from company perspective, from legacy. And sometimes you need to at least stoop, adjust for some reasons by giving Eric some credit. I'm just speaking from the lawyer perspective and the legal aspect. If Eric per se see reasons of value in partnership with Jasmine, I think you have to begin to trust him because Mr. Hanks believes so much that with the help of Jasmine, Eric will grow up and get to an apex.
Barrister Germany.
That's my name.
Eric is my son. I brought him up single-handedly. No other woman can guide him more than I can do. It will be over my dead body that I will allow that woman stay in this house. Or less, there will be a problem in this house on a daily basis. Excuse me.
Mom, you just stop fighting with Jasmine.
Eric, everything I have done is for you. Whatever you see me doing today, I am doing that for you.
No, Mom. You're doing this because you're scared.
Scared of what?
You're scared of letting go, Mom. You're scared of trusting someone. I mean, for once, relax. Do not control everything.
Jasmine has done nothing but cause me pain. That lady betrayed me. She ruined my life. That same thing she is doing again. She wants to take you away from me.
Mom, Jasmine is not taking me away from you, for God's sake, Mom. She just wants to make me to be the man that I wanted me to be. That's what she's trying to do.
What about if she hurts you? What about if she goes back to that same person that she used to be?
Mom, listen, I've made up my mind. And I've made my choice and I need you to trust me.
I don't know how to do it.
You're going to figure it out, Mom, because at the end of the day, we all need the same thing. To honor that legacy. Jasmine, please, we need to talk.
I thought we were already talking through your mom indirectly.
Look, Jasmine, you know she's not going to stop, right? She's always going to come at you like this. And right now, she's hell-bent on sending you out. Then why aren't you stopping her? Because she's my mom, Jasmine. She's my mom. Because I'm still trying to find out if all this is worth it at the end of the day.
You mean me?
Not just you, Jasmine. Right? The company, trying to honor my dad's legacy, trying to keep the peace on the other hand. Is it worth it?
Eric, nothing worth it comes easy. Maybe you're having doubts about me, about us. Then I just think we're already losing.
I don't even know.
What now? What do you want to tell me? You both? You're here to convince me that this madness is right. Right?
Well, listen, the thing is, with all honesty, I do not want to hurt you.
You're not just hurting me, Eric. You are breaking me. You are tearing me apart. How can you stand before me to tell me that you want to get married to my best friend? What are you doing? Have you lost it?
Do me be. I know you don't trust me. I don't blame you. But this isn't about me. It's about Eric and his future and what your husband wanted.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare bring Hank into this. Because if Hank is to be here, he would never agree to this madness.
That is where you're wrong, Mom. That is where you're wrong. Dad saw something between Jasmine and I. He's so good. This is something you're clearly refusing to see for yourself.
And what is that? Manipulation? Selfishness?
No. Dedication, vision, the love for this family, for his future, for his legacy.
Legacy plays my foot.
Madam, what we're saying is for you to see the bigger picture. Hank's will is not just about assets. It's not just about properties. From my own finding, Jasmine is not just looking at the properties or maybe something, but we are looking at the potentials. We are looking at what she can offer, what she can do. I want you to begin to trust your son and begin to trust your family. Mr. Hanks believes that allowing them to work together productively, that this company is going to grow to a larger extent. Give them this platform, please.
No, maybe. You see, you're holding on to fear. And you know, one thing, sometimes fear blinds us from seeing the truth. And we fail to realize what is above or over there for us to see.
Finally, ma, I want to say this. Probably it's going to sound a little bit strange, unbecoming. But I was opportune to being a personal solicitor and advocate of your husband. I spoke to him. We sat down. We did a whole lot of things. He spoke highly of you. He called you a virtuous woman. He said you have a forgiving heart. He said what you're doing is protective. He said you are loved. That in most cases, that he doesn't blame you. But what you have failed to understand is that insecurity has blinded your understanding to know that these two people will build a company. If this company goes bankrupt, it's going to affect you. Hanks believes that Jasmine has the potential, the wherewithal, the expertise to fuse into Eric so that this company will begin to grow from strength to strength. I am imploring you, I am asking you, I'm begging you to find a way to allow these two to get to a point. And that point will benefit you and will benefit the children that will come. See it from that. Look at two of them. It is not just about romantic, it's not about love, it's not about old, it's not about old enough to be, Don't look at it from that point. These are the things your husband enumerated before he died. Please, with profound respect and apology, allow them to be for the benefit of this couple, for productivity.
You see, you all have shown your own strength individually and as a family. That is how you will let his legacy live on.
Honestly, I'm very happy. I never believed a day like this would come. To be honest, when I got the invitation, I was like, Madam Dubadi is inviting us. A change of heart. It simply means that what your husband said about you is true. When he said that you're a woman of virtue, a woman that forgives easily if you understand her properly, that you still need to give her time to see reasons. And I'm happy you are giving them time, and I'm happy you call for this celebration. From what I have gathered, from a little feasibility study that I have from the company, the EZE's product is actually doing well with your company. And the whole millions of dollars that have been pouring in means that Mr. Hank's legacy is well and alive.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yes. I found out that there is something Hank saw in Jasmine that I couldn't see. And I also want to use this opportunity to say thank you, Jasmine. Thank you for coming into my family. Thank you for coming into my son's life. And I want to welcome you to this family, especially.
Thank you. And I hope I have earned your trust.
Definitely, yes.
Cheers to progress of the Hanks.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Forget the past and move on. Everything has a reason. When there's forgiveness, there's peace and love, things will surely fall in place. Try to let it out. Try to let it out. Things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. Don't hold it for too long. Things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. Try to let it out. Try to let it out. Things will fall in place. Things will fall in place. Don't hold it for too long.